In today's video, you're going to get to see a whole bunch of beautiful cars. Hello everybody, welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, then welcome. I really appreciate you being here. If you've been to my channel before, then as always, thank you so much for the thumbs up that you leave for me, for you subscribing, as well as hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video is available. I am standing today in the heart of Mississauga. In my opinion, it's actually the heart of Streetsville. This is the Streetsville Market Square. There was a classic car event that was hosted here by the Streetsville BIA, which is the Business Improvement Area. And at the event, we had our Councillor George Carlson attend, along with the Mayor of Mississauga, Crombie. It was a pleasure meeting both of you. At the event, there were so many absolutely beautiful cars there. So this is a bit of a casting call. So if your car was at the event, please do contact me. I'll put my information at the bottom here, and I'd love to get together with you and do a video of your car. So without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a drive, and let's go and check out some beautiful cars. What a beauty.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
I'm going to give you my car.
Oh, okay.
What I'd like to do is do a proper video of your car.
Oh, okay.
Like do a walk around, not here,
Yeah.
do another day. Do you live in Mississauga?
I'm in Hamilton, actually.
How can you come here? How can I convince you to come to Mississauga?
Oh, I could pop by anytime, really.
Good
I mean,
man.
I
I would love to
so-
do this justice. I make YouTube videos for fun.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can you jot down your name and number?
Sure,
on
yeah,
here,
just
and
let
I
me
will
put this
connect
down.
with you. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you don't see this every day.
Yeah, I know.
What a beauty. And lots of patina as well.
Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah.
Is this yours, sir?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Absolutely gorgeous. Ah. Can I ask you a favor? I'm gonna give you my business card. So I do YouTube videos. Here's my card. You scan that with your phone, you'll be able to see my channel. It's called Classic Car ChitChat. And I love to take videos of cars and people like you who own beautiful cars.
Right on.
I can't pay you anything, it's free.
Yeah.
But I just need your time.
Okay.
Do you live in Mississauga?
Yeah.
Weather's nice, takes about 30 minutes. We do a walk around, you explain to me why you love your car so much.
All right.
Awesome, thank you. And she is gorgeous. I'm in Mississauga. We just got to find a day when the weather's nice and we can shoot it. Okay. And if you scan over the little QR code, you see my channel. Today's video will be out next week.
Oh yeah.
All right?
Very good.
So you see these beauties as well. All right. Yours? Wow.
Thank you.
I love the color, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is the name of the color even? You know what? It's funny you say that. I met a gentleman and he had a Pontiac Fiero.
Yeah.
And I said, what's the name of the color? Bright red.
Yeah.
I am
Oh,
indeed.
it's Neil.
Neil, how the
I
hell?
didn't
Where's your
recognize you.
car, man?
I'm parked over there. We're not staying. We're going out.
Oh,
so
is that right? So you
let's
just
come in
came
and
for a little
and
visit.
I saw your car. And I'm
There
like,
she
okay.
is, yes.
And I saw the England jersey.
There,
I'm like,
absolutely, man.
it's
So,
gotta be-
no
Everything
problem.
okay?
So we're gonna connect, yes?
Yeah.
Whenever you're not working,
Yeah.
if you let him out now and again, it'd be so nice. He says he's henpecked. He says he can't leave the
No,
house.
not allowed to. Got the
He had a chrome column in there, $1,200, and they did. I painted it. That's about $1,000 to me. Because it's $600.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
I was gonna leave this for you. I'll come and talk to you in a bit.
Oh,
All right?
okay.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you. It's
Whose is this beauty?
Yeah, go ahead.
Whose is it?
That's mine.
Oh,
Go ahead.
I'm gonna give you a card. I want to do a video of yours. I do videos of cars for fun.
Not a problem. My
If you
pleasure.
check it out,
Yeah.
I did one of another station wagon.
Oh.
It's owned by Dr. Detail in Brampton.
yeah,
So
you
check
should- no.
when the weather is nice and we'll
We've got another guy that we work with that has one.
really exactly
That's why,
like a
yeah.
station wagon.
That's
Oh
why
my
I thought
god.
it was his.
This sucks up more gas at a traffic light than most cars, right?
Stinks of gas.
Oh, it's all good
Hey,
though.
that's not stink.
It is a stink.
It's good for the
No,
environment.
no. See, you just think of the wrong.
Yes, this looks vaguely familiar. councillor of this ward, which is Ward 11. That was George Carlson. So thank you so much for that, George. Oh, crying out loud. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, then welcome. I really appreciate. Oh wow, what a beauty! Nice car, man. 73. Yeah, yours is gorgeous too.